The economy is experiencing a notable investment shift due to fluctuating interest rates, notably seen in both the real estate and stock markets. Back in 2020 and 2021, when interest rates reached historic lows, investors rushed to put their money into growth stocks, tech companies, and high-momentum assets. Low interest rates meant startups could easily borrow funds for cheap or raise venture capital, resulting in rapid business growth and skyrocketing valuations. However, this trend took a turn in 2022 when interest rates began to rise. As rates surged, startups, tech companies, and growth-focused firms found it increasingly challenging to secure the same level of funding they previously enjoyed. Consequently, there was a significant valuation shift, especially in these growth-oriented entities. Investors, no longer keen on pouring their funds into such businesses, shifted their focus to value companies. Value companies are well-established, profitable entities that may even pay dividends to shareholders. To pay dividends, a company must have profits and no better use for the money, as investing back into the business may yield higher returns. Therefore, when a company is in a growth phase, they usually reinvest profits, while mature companies with surplus profits opt to pay dividends to shareholders. The preference for value companies created opportunities for astute investors. To benefit from this trend, one can invest in dividend-paying ETFs, which offer exposure to a basket of dividend-paying stocks. By doing so, investors can mitigate risk since the ETF comprises multiple companies, and any potential losses from one are offset by gains in others. To excel in this investment strategy, the key is consistent, passive, and automatic investments. Regularly investing in these dividend-focused ETFs over time can gradually build a stream of passive cash flow. Each investment not only grows your holdings in the ETF but also increases the cash flow you receive from dividend payments. Moreover, reinvesting the dividends received further amplifies this cash flow. By reinvesting, you purchase more shares of the ETF, which leads to higher dividends in the future. This compounding effect can yield impressive results over the years. It is crucial to conduct thorough research and understand the ETFs or funds you choose to invest in. While ETFs like VYM, SCHD, SPYD, VNQ, SCH, and XLRE may be examples to explore, it's essential to consider your own financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. In summary, navigating changing interest rate environments requires a thoughtful approach to investments. Capitalizing on dividend-paying ETFs and embracing a consistent investment strategy can pave the way to building a robust stream of passive cash flow for a secure financial future. Remember, the key is discipline and patience, as compounding growth over time can yield remarkable results.